Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How are you doing?
I'm doing great, sir.
That's nice.
Sir, I'd love to ask you a question.
Okay, no problem. Go on.
Sir, I'd love you to tell me what a verb is, and the types of verbs.
Is that all?
Yes, sir.
Okay, a verb is a doing word. In other words, it expresses action and state of being. Examples? David is sick. This tells us about David's condition. Amos write very well. This expresses action. So from the sentences mentioned, we can now understand that a verb is that part of speech that tells us what somebody or something does. It also states the condition which something or somebody is. In sum, it enables us to say something about somebody or about something in our environment. Oh, take care.
Thank you, sir.
Now, let me tell you the different types of verbs. Broadly speaking, there are 7 types of verb in English. These are auxiliary verbs, modal verbs, lexical or main verbs, anomalous verbs, marginal verbs, finite and infinite